आपल्या आमदाराक मेळटले, मागीर सगळे स्टेक होल्डर, मागीर ट्रक ओनर एसोसिएशन, बार्ज ओनर एसोसिएशन, मायन ओनराचे प्रतिनिधी हांकां सगळ्यांक मेळटले. तशेंच बाकीचे पक्षाचे आमचे वांगडचे पक्षाचे आमचे साथीदार आसा, आमचे वांगडी तांकांय मेळटले. ह्या हितूंतल्यान एक अन्य पक्षांतल्या कोणी आमदाराक सुद्दां तांकां निवेदन दिवपाक जाय किंवा मेळपाचें अशें कोणाकूच ह्या हितून येना, सगळे ओपन आसा.
He has already fixed a program regarding to meet all the people in Goa, those who are in trouble and those who want to come and to meet them. He has given appointment based on the unions. In unions, labor union is there, truck and owners union is there, barge owners union is there, and based on the mining, how many people are affected, their union is also there. He will start to meet the people by 11:30 and till 2:30 he is meeting along with both the parties, MGP, Goa Forward, and after 2:30 he is meeting only cabinet minister. He will discuss each and every point based on the present status, what is going on in Goa, and he will also try to resolve the problem as early as possible. That is what I assured them on the behalf of you.
माननीय नितीन गडकरी हांगा आसतले आनी ते सगळ्या लोकांचे म्हणणे आयकून घेतले. खंयच्याय पद्दतीन मायनींग हें बंद जावची ना आनी लोकांच्या मनाक जो एक भंय आसा तो भंय खंयचे रितीन आमी बेगिना बेगीन पयस करूंक शकतलो हाचे संदर्भात सगळे कितें जातलें तशें हांव सगळ्या गोंयचे जनतेक परत एकदां आश्वस्त करता